Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you our room from our cruise last spring. It's a Category 6A Deluxe Ocean View stateroom with a white wall veranda. If you're considering a navigator's veranda, you can actually upgrade for a little bit more and get a full open air veranda. I didn't show the bathroom in this video, but it does have a split bathroom, one with a toilet and a sink, and the other with a shower and a sink. Okay, let's check it out! We are in room 7134, and as we walked in, there was a huge closet on the right. It had hangers in it, a safe, and of course your life jackets. And on the left were the split bathrooms. Then we had the bed, which had plenty of room underneath. In fact, I could fit under it, and the mirror was full length, which was nice. To the right of the bed there was a phone. Over here is the couch, which folds into a bed at night. And before the cruise, we ordered some cheese platters with assorted cheese and honeycomb nuts and grapes. They were super yummy. Out here is the veranda, and it was port side view. It was pretty windy outside. We went in March, however the view was beautiful. Also, may I recommend taking off any hats before looking up the side, just to be safe. So that concludes the room tour. We went on the Disney Magic for 4 nights from Miami, stopping at Nassau and Castaway Cay, which is Disney's private island. This summer we are going on a 7-night cruise on the Fantasy, stopping at Cozumel, Grand Cayman, Castaway Cay, and Jamaica. So we are going to vlog that and share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video, or it helped you in some way. If you have any questions about it, just comment below. And if you're looking to go on a cruise but need some help booking it, my mom is a great travel agent. She specializes in Disney and helps you book everything completely free of charge. I will link her website below. Also, if you want to see our vlogs on our next cruise, make sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!